Well, greetings, my fellow Star Trek fans. Happy New Year. I hope your New Year's Eve is going to go very well. I hope you have a lot of fun. I hope you remember to stay safe. And I got a little goodie to show you. What I got to show you today is a little bit different. I never really did an unboxing or a review of a DVD before. I've done what comes with them, like with all the Star Trek stuff, the reboot. I've shown you the little ships and the little things that came as extras. And I guess I did show you guys DVDs before, but this one is going to be different as it doesn't have anything. And this is one of the presents that I had gotten for my wife for Christmas. And I was pretty excited to get this. We got Star Trek Picard. Now this is season 1. And what I love about this is we get to see Captain Picard again. We get to see Captain Riker. We get to see Mr. Data. And we get to see 7 of 9. You can see this has over 2 hours of special features. Deleted scenes, gag reel, and featurettes, which include exclusive interview footage with Patrick Stewart. Certified fresh Rotten Tomatoes. I never really went to that site, guys. Did you? You got to see a picture of Captain Picard. And I got to tell you, Patrick Stewart, this guy never ages. He looks like he just walked off the set of Star Trek The Next Generation or one of the movies. And he's got his dog, number 1. So the front of the box is pretty cool. I like that picture. And the A is a Starfleet logo, the Delta Shield. The sides of the box, pretty standard for the DVD. I think it's the same on, yeah, it's pretty much the same. So I'll show you the back of the box. See, I haven't actually seen, I've seen the first episode, but I haven't really seen anything else. 14 years after, you can see the barcode on the inside. Genuinely thrilling. Well, we'll see. Over 2 hours of special features. You can see she's right there. There's Jerry Ryan, 7 of 9. And look, we got Mr. Data, Brent Spiner. And of course, we have Captain Riker. Riker's one of my favorite characters. I think I'm going to do a video on my top favorite characters of Star Trek. That would be pretty cool. So let me put you guys on a tripod and I'll show you guys what's inside and what it comes with. All right, that's a little bit better. And let's see if we can keep the plastic that's on. We kept the plastic on. Okay, does this one have plastic? Nope, there's no plastic in this one. We can just go ahead and open it up. I showed you guys the cover. And the back looks the same. And let's see, it comes with some memorabilia or some paraphernalia from Star Trek. Star Trek Picard Countdown. Witness the events leading up to the epic Star Trek Picard series in his new prequel graphic novel, available now. You can see Patrick Stewart, and you can see with the book, the front of the book. Why did you leave Starfleet, Admiral? USA Today bestseller, highly recommended for any fan of the show. The heart, the soul, and the mind of Picard. Available in paperback, ebooks, and audio download. This might be a really good read. I'll have to consider this. Is that it? Yep. And that's all you get. There is, instead of an insert, they just printed it on the other side of the sleeve. So let's show you guys. We got disc 1. Episode 1 is Remembrance. By the end of the 24th century, 14 years after his retirement from Starfleet, Jean-Luc Picard, Patrick Stewart, is living quiet life in the vineyard, the Chateau Picard, when he's sought out by a mysterious young woman in need of his help. He soon realizes she may have personal connections to his own past. And it'll show you the story log, and then it'll show you the special features that are available in that episode. Deleted scene, video commentary. Then it's episode 2 is called Maps and Legends. Picard begins investigating the mysteries of the Dodge. Well, I don't want to really read this because I haven't seen any of this now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read you the title episodes, and I'll show you it. If you want to pause the video and check it out. So episode 1 is titled Remembrance. Episode 2, Maps and Legends. Episode 3, The End is the Beginning. And it shows you the special features. Star Trek short treks, Children of Mars, audio commentary, and make it so. So that was on disc 1. Moving over to disc 2, you got episode 4, The Absolute Canar. Episode 5, Stardust City Rag. Episode 6, The Impossible Box. Episode 7, Nepenthe. You can see a picture of Patrick Stewart. Moving on to disc 3, we got episode 8, Broken Pieces. Episode 9, E.T. in Arcadia, Ego, Part 1. E.T. in episode 10 is E.T. in Arcadia, Ego, Part 2. And the special features, Aliens Alive, Picard Props, Set Me Up, The Motley Crew, and the gag reel. And those are always amusing. Might be a little easier to show you without the glare of the plastic, the front, and showing you the back. I have no idea what ship they're on. That doesn't look like a Starfleet starship or a Starfleet crew. Special features, Star Trek short treks, Children of Mars, story logs, deleted scenes, Aliens Alive, the X8s, Picard Props, Set Me Up, the gag reel, and more. So, let's put this back in. That's a pretty good idea, putting it on the sleeve. So, we got that. Let me show you some of the discs. Let's see, this would be disc 1. Season 1, Disc 1, Remembrance, Maps and Legends. That's not Legends, I'm sorry. Lorinos, Maps and Lorinos. The Eno is the beginning. Special features. Let's see, we got Disc 2, and we've got Absolute Canar, Stardust City Rag, The Impossible Box, Nepenthe, and a special feature. Season 1, Disc 3, which is Broken Pieces, E.T. in Arcadia, Ego, Part 1, E.T. in Arcadia, Ego, Part 2, and then the special features. So it is one season. There's not a ton of episodes. It's 3 discs, and I look forward to checking it out. This is New Year's Eve. Usually what I do on New Year's Eve is I look and I find the Three Stooges marathon because I love the Three Stooges. But maybe what we're going to do tonight is we're going to spend on New Year's Eve with a Picard marathon. We'll see. But anyway, my friends, that is the season 1 for Picard. Now, I'm going to try to put some stuff up for you guys in regards to the show, maybe some scenes, but I don't want to do any spoilers, and I don't want to get copyright stricken or anything like that. So It'll probably be pictures that I find as I describe. But anyway, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this short video, and if you were looking to get Star Trek Picard Season 1, this is what it comes with. Now, Star Trek Picard Season 2, I think it might have just started, or it's very, very close to becoming out. But I want to catch up on 1 first. So, my friends, have a great new year, and I'll see you very soon in another video.